Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at the Nintendo Switch OLED edition. Now this isn't a complete replacement for the Nintendo Switch. This is just an OLED version to go along with the other ones that they sell. This one has a slightly different screen, and I picked up the white version because I think it looks really clean and fresh. Let's open it up and I'll show you what we have inside the box. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot. So inside the box we've got the controllers up the top here. These are the white ones, and I believe this is the first time they've done white with the Nintendo Switch. Very nice. They're white on the front and on the back, and as you can see they've got the Nintendo branding there. Very, very nice looking. They look a little bit grey on the screen here, but they are a nice clean white colour in person. So this is the left one. Again, you've got the Nintendo branding there on the back, slightly different to the older versions. Okay, let's put these over here, and this is the main part, the screen. Now this time Nintendo have made a glass screen, so this isn't the plastic screen that the LCD had. On the top you've got the power button that's slightly different, and the volume buttons are a little bit longer, as you can see there. Now in the center there you've got the air vent or the heat grill, a little bit smaller than the original one or the version 2. And on the right hand side you've got the game slot, and it doesn't have the thumb groove. Hopefully it will open easy enough. On the bottom you've got the Type-C USB. The serial number's gone from the left, and then you've got the same Type-C USB in the middle. Speakers are completely on the bottom this time, and the back has the new stand, as you can see. It goes all the way across the back, and it can adjust to all sorts of angles. This is the same sort of stand that they had on the Surface pad. Right, okay, getting back to it. Nice looking screen. That's nice snap in there. Okay, and that one as well. Right, it looks really nice. I'm gonna put it to the side and show you what else is in the box before I switch it on. Okay, so underneath here we've got the dock. Now this is the new dock, which has a nice white colour. Again, this is the reason I picked the white one, because the red and blue has a normal black dock. But I like the look of this. It has a nice, fresh, clean look. As you can see, the tops are rounded off, and it's a little bit wider so that the Switch is easier to fit in. I think that's to protect it from scratching the screen a little bit better. Right, the back completely comes off this one, and as you can see there, you have your AC in, your HDMI out, and your Ethernet port, which is new to this one. Very nice, I like it. I'm sure this will be nicknamed the Stormtrooper of the Nintendo Switch. Right, let's put that to the side, and I'll show you what else comes in the box first of all. So let's put that over to the side for now. Very nice looking. I really do like the black and white. So in the box here, this looks like the standard power plug, and I don't suppose it's any different. It looks exactly the same as the other ones that we've had over the last few years. Yes, I think it's probably exactly the same. There we go, there's the details there. Right, let's move along. What else have we got? HDMI cable. It's nice that Nintendo includes that. And this is the grip, so you can use your Joy-Cons and make a controller out of them. I don't remember this Looks like a little clip that you can put a lanyard on. And last but not least, we have the Joy-Con little handles that go on for when you're playing games with each other. And again, they've got black and white on the grips there on the cables. Very nice. Right, let's put this box away. Okay, so we've got the Gen 1 at the top, Gen 2 in the middle, and the new one at the bottom. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, but the OLED screen is completely black compared to the other two LCDs. Let's turn them on and put some colour on the screen. Okay. Right, so you can see the difference in size now. It's not a great big difference, but it does give you a little bit better viewing, and it's a lot brighter than the older one. Even though it looked darker from above, it is actually brighter, and it's a nice clean colour as well. Nice clean bright graphics, nice and sharp. The speakers there and on the bottom of the new one. I think that's about it. The Joy-Cons seem to be exactly the same. I don't think there's any difference there. This one has some grips on. Right, underneath here, this is the old stand, and as you can see, you've got your SD card in there. But the old stand was a little bit wobbly. Now this one with the new stand, it opens up and you've got your SD card going in sideways instead. So that's another difference. And I think that's about it. There's a little bit longer. This new one is 1mm longer. I think Nintendo probably did that so you have to buy all new cases and covers for it. A little bit annoying, but never mind. I think my Legend of Zelda cover will fit on this. But otherwise it's all the same. Joy-Cons are the same. Hopefully they don't have any drift like I've had in the past with the blue and red ones. Haven't had any drift on this one. I haven't had any problems with this. I've used it quite a lot, so hopefully the version 2 did improve on the Joy-Cons inside a little bit. Right, so I'm going to leave it here. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer, what you think to the new OLED version compared to the LCD. And I shall see you in the next video. Bye for now.